Alright, this problem says the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 114 feet. So remember, perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure. So if you have a rectangle, you're going to take all four sides and add up the lengths. Then it says the width is 5 feet less than the length. So what you want to do here is you want to draw a picture. Here I have my length, I've labeled it L to stand for length. And then the width is 5 feet less than the length. So we know that W, or the width, is going to be equal to the length minus 5. So I've represented the width as L minus 5. Alright, which system of equations could be used to determine the dimensions of the garden? So now instead of just solving a system of equations, we're given a word problem and we have to write the system of equations. So remember, a system of equations is a set of two or more equations with the same variables. If we look at our multiple choice here, the variables that we're using are L and W. L for length and W for width. So that's why I drew my little diagram here and I put L for length and W for width. So the first equation is going to be one that represents the perimeter. So remember, for perimeter is just the distance around the outside. So we're going to add up all the sides. So it's going to be perimeter is equal to L plus W plus W. Length plus width plus width. Well, we know the perimeter is 114 feet. So 114, is going to be equal to L plus L, that's 2L. W plus W, that's 2W. So we know that this is going to be one equation that has to be in our system. So if we look, A can be an option, B can be an option, C and D are out though, because they don't have the correct equation for perimeter. Now we want to look at the part of the problem that says the width is 5 feet less than the length. So here we said width is equal to, the width is, so width is 5 feet less than the length. So you're going to take the length and subtract 5. And when we do that, we see that the correct answer here is letter A. So the system of equations 2L plus 2W equals 114, W equals L minus 5. That is the correct system for this problem.